Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're finally counting down to Chinese New Year on February 10th this year, and we are celebrating the coming of the wood dragon. This year is an auspicious one. As you know, in Chinese culture, the dragon always holds a significant place, just being an extraordinary creature, unparalleled in talent and excellence. It tends to symbolize power, nobility, honor, luck, and lots of success. And this year, 2024, is forecasted to bring about opportunities and changes, and of course, it comes with challenges. So if you're seeking a shift in your current lives, this year might offer a favorable chance. And how do you know if you're born in the year of the dragon? Well, starting from 1952 and adding on 12 years at a time, you will know whether you're born in the year of the dragon. And I have it listed on the screen for you just to cross-reference. So definitely celebrate this auspicious year. And during this time, for many families, there are just so many things to prepare. Just things to clean up, dust away all the old year's bad luck, buying groceries that are auspicious, that have special meaning and sound great to celebrate the new year, and just preparing the house to welcome by adding a lot of flowers, adding ornaments and decorations, all add to the festivity of the Lunar New Year. And today, I'm going to take my family out for lunch. We're going to go celebrate the New Year in advance and just to enjoy each other's company. You can see my outfit for the day was just a pair of corduroy pants by Patagonia, a gray cashmere and wool turtleneck top, and my Burberry trench coat that I got in London a few years back. And today I decided to use my Hermes Jypsiere 28 as it just fits with the chic and casual trendy look. But I also wanted to share with you this amazing insert that was gifted to me by Ztujo, and I have been really enjoying how well designed it is. The material, first of all, is a sturdy felt with stitches that are sewn very neatly, and each compartment is well thought out and designed to fit all your personal essentials. This particular insert is designed for my Hermes Jypsiere, this specific size, but I can see how it can fit into other handbags that are of similar size, which, adds to its versatility and, makes it just a little more practical. I know you can find many different companies offering inserts for Hermes or Louis Vuitton and Chanel handbags, and some of the prices can be exorbitantly high. Ztujo makes high quality and affordable ones that I think is worth investing in to protect the interiors of your handbags. As you know, making sure the interior of your handbags is also as important if you want to really maintain its resale value. So if you're interested in trying out this brand insert, I have a 10% discount code that you can use. Just use the code EvelynEveryday for your 10% discount, and I do not receive any commission. It is really a gift to all my subscribers who have supported me on this journey. Okay, so I also wanted to share with you the special lemon custard pie that I find to be quite auspicious for the Lunar New Year. As you know, circles are always celebrated because they signify, coins and money, and anything that is circular has the tendency to give and return and and be perpetual. And so this pie brings in that positive energy for the new year. It's a yummy lemon custard pie, and it's relatively easy to make. I'll link the recipe down below. And because the pie is round, yellow, and has these coin pastry patterns, it also helps symbolize the gold coins, the wealth and prosperity that we all wish to enjoy for the new year. So again, I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog of things that I've been busy with. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help support the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye now.